Assalamu alaikum. You are watching BCN Top News. Dear viewers, I'm Sumaya Selim Samanta. Will be with you all the time. The epidemic of coronavirus has killed the 29 more people across the country. The death toll has been risen to 4,412 people. At the same time, 1,929 new cases of coronavirus have been reported. With this, a total of 3,21,615 people were identified in the country. Mashrafi bin Mortaja's bracelet auction will be used to build a specialized hospital with 10 beds. The announcement was made on the founding anniversary of Narail Express Foundation. The third founding anniversary of Narail Express Foundation was celebrated at Sharif Abul Hakim Diabetic and Thyroid Care Center on Friday. Awami General Secretary and Minister for Road Transport and Bridge Obaidul Kader has said that Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has extended the sentence for humanitarian reasons, not out of any political pressure. He said the stay of BNP chairperson Khaleda Zia's sentence has been extended for another 6 months. There is no pressure of political pressure here. Locals have staged a broom and shoe procession and a protest meeting against the Satkhira municipal mayor and councillor. It is learned that the procession was held in the protest of the failure of the solve the permanent water blockage in Badipur area of Satkhira and the lines about relief. Guard of Bangladesh seized 124 kg of Hilsa fish while it was being smuggled to India from Rajshahi border on Friday. At noon, BGB Rajshahi 1st Battalion Commander Limited was given this information to the press release, which is signed by Colonel Firdaus Ziauddin Mahmood. Afroja Parvin, a nuclear officer in the Department of Nuclear Medicine at BSMMU Hospital, was seriously injured when the bus overturned. Her right leg was severed in a serious accident. She was hit by the PPL bus and the Shiny Club intersection in the capital of Friday. The country's stock market has gone on another upward trend in a continuous upward trend. In addition to the rising of the price index, the share and the unit prices of the most companies participating in the transaction has given over the past week. This has increased all price in the indicates. A month after the blast, rescuers found life under the rubble of a building in the Lebanon's capital Beirut. The rescue operation started today. According to the eyewitnesses, on Thursday, rescuers received censorship signal and life was vibrating and breathing under the building. Popular Bangladeshi actor Mosharraf Karim has been seen on the screen in different color and styles. Most of the time, he has been found more acceptable by the audience as a comedy character, but this time he will be seen in the slightly different form. He will play the role of the day laborer in the play Ah Jibon, directed by Ajad Kalam. Al Hassan, the world's best all-rounder, came up with the pass result after testing his body for COVID-19 infection before setting foot in the country. However, according to the rules, corona has to be tested once again in the practice in BKSP. Even in the test, the negative came in the eyes of the Bangladesh national cricket team. Dear viewers, listen to the top news of VCN for a while. For more details, visit www.vcnchannel.net. Stay tuned to VCN channel to get more updates.